Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com. I want to talk about how to pronounce American English vowels. So, how do American vowels sound? In general, we use two sounds for each vowel and two pitches, high to low. So vowel E does not just sound like E, but rather E, starting with the E and sliding to A. Start with a higher pitch and slide to a lower pitch. E. Easy. Well, not so easy if you aren't used to it. But using speech modification accent reduction technique, or SMART practice, you can shift your habitual patterns and start to make American vowels in common words and phrases. Let's try the vowels which are most common in languages other than English. Remember, we are talking about vowel sounds, not written letters. Vowel E sounds like E, eat, each, see, me. Vowel A sounds like A, ate, gave, way, they. Vowel A sounds like ah, on, not, stop, job. Vowel O sounds like oh, go, no, don't, over. Vowel oo sounds like ooh, do, new, you, food. Try practicing these words by themselves and then in short phrases. Remember to lengthen your vowel and slide from the high pitch to the low pitch. You can find more SMART practice techniques on SpeechModification.com.